random seed. You can see that it is 1, 2, 3, 4, some random integer. I'll click on run and it is generating right now. It should be ready anytime soon. And did you know you could create this stunning 3D models just by uploading an image or text prompt? Welcome to day 164 of the 1000 days of no code challenge. Today we are checking out Hunyuan 3D 2.0, an AI tool by Tencent which allows you to convert your images or text into ready-to-use 3D models right in your browser. Let's walk through how it works. So to begin with, you have to go to sinexr.ai/explore/Tencent/Hunyuan3D2. The link will be shared in the description below. You can take it from there. Now we have to upload a few images, or we can also input text-based prompt. We have images, so we will use that. So this is the front view. Likewise, we will also have to upload back view, the left view, and the right view. Right? Once these are uploaded, we also have some parameters that we can change, like shape only generates shapes, which is 10x faster. If you want to remove the background, you can enable this. We have some steps, inference steps, which is by default 5, octave resolution, which is 256. We have option to choose 384 or 512, and we also have guidance scale, which can range from 0 to 10. Right? It was 5.5 and I leave it around that. Seed, random seed. You can see that it is 1, 2, 3, 4, some random integer. I'll click on run and it is generating right now. It should be ready anytime soon. And there you go. So you can see a 3D model generated based on the images that we gave. How good it is? Please type out in the comments below and share your thoughts. 3D modeling used to be something that only trained professionals could do, with complex tools and hours of practice. But now, anyone can do it. Whether you are a game designer, product engineer, or exploring just for fun, Hunyuan 3D makes it super easy to bring your concepts to life. So, go and give Hunyuan 3D a spin and share it with somebody who may like it. Thank you for watching, and as always, I will see you in the next one.